Do not rush to throw used plastic bottles in the trash. In this video, we want to show you 26 great ideas for reusing plastic waste. Let's make our planet at least a little cleaner together. Please share this video with your friends because recycling is very important. Without further ado, let's get started. Poke a hole in the cap of an empty plastic bottle. Cut a cotton swab in half and insert it into the hole. Use sticky tape to attach chopsticks to the bottle. Fill the bottle with water. Insert this wonderful drip irrigation device into the plant pot. But keep in mind, not all plants like a lot of water. Watch how you can make a wall organizer for bathroom supplies from plastic bottles and a clothes hanger. Now I'll show you a handy tool for drying washed wet shoes. Simply place the shoes into the plastic bottle molds and hang them to dry in a convenient spot. Fold the rope or laces this way. Loop the rope over the top of the bottle and tighten it. This is a very handy handle, especially for large, heavy water bottles. Cut off the tip of the syringe. Make a hole in the bottle cap. Insert the syringe into this hole and secure it with hot glue. Cut the bottom of the bottle in such a way that one side remains uncut. Make 2 holes for a hook from a paperclip. Screw on the cap with the syringe. Make 2 holes and thread a zip tie through them. Set up the sink in any convenient spot in your garden. Pour water into the sink, close the cap, and it's ready to use. If a broken bulb's base is stuck in your lamp socket, you can use this method. To make a tool for easily cutting a plastic bottle into strips, you'll need a small wooden block, a utility knife blade, and 2 screws. Watch how you can easily separate egg yolks from whites using a plastic bottle. Now I'll show you how to make a strong clamp that can come in handy for various construction tasks and more. And now, an interesting idea for those who have a water cooler at home or in the office. While cooking and chopping food, it's inconvenient to throw food waste into a regular trash can, so I made a hanging bucket from a plastic bottle and sweep all the waste into it right off the kitchen counter. Also, you can make a convenient colander for washing vegetables, fruits, berries, and greens from such a large bottle. Cut off the top threaded part of the bottle to make clamps for cables or pipes. Or holders for construction tools. Now I'll show you how to make a convenient organizer for toothbrushes and toothpaste. Another way to store paper or plastic cups for the water cooler. If you love growing plants or flowers, this idea is for you. If you forgot to bring a cup on your hike, you can make one yourself from a plastic bottle. If you have a lot of bags at home, this organizer will be useful for you. To conveniently sort grains or sift flour, You can make a sieve from a plastic bottle by making many small holes in it. If you've accumulated many bottles, you can make an ottoman out of them. Simply glue all the bottles together, attach round bases made of plywood or drywall, wrap them in foam, and cover with fabric using a staple gun. Place a metal brush in the top of the bottle to avoid scratching your hands. Now I'll show you a wonderful idea for children's creativity. Kids will also love the upgraded Slingshot Gun made from a plastic bottle and a balloon. But be careful. Kids will also be thrilled with the homemade magnifying glass, through which they can view small insects, bugs, butterflies, veins on petals and leaves, and much more. If your gym membership has expired, you can temporarily work out at home with plastic bottles filled with water. If your vase or bottle is too deep and the flower stem is short, you can place a balloon in the bottle.